Hello guys, this is our company's products, Scan Translator. As you can see, here is the packing of this Scan Translator. It's white. This is the packing box. And when we open it, here is the manual of Scan Translator. And then the Scan Translator, you can see. And here is the Type-C tablet. And this is the earphone. There are 4 things into the packing box. And now, let's have a look. This is the Scan Translator pen, and there are some, it's white. There are some buttons here. This is power button. This is the power button. We click it, and then the Scan Translator is open. Scan Talker. And then you can see there are so many functions here. And there are some buttons. This is the voice button. The higher button will make your voice more higher. And then the lower button will make your voice more lower. Like this one. These 2 buttons are voice translator button. I will show you later. And then I will introduce some functions to you. The first one is offline scanning. Here, without the Wi-Fi, we could also scan something you want to translate. And here, there are 3 languages you could choose. For example, I choose English, translate to Chinese. And then use the camera to scan here. Like this one. And then here is the English. And this one is the Chinese. Next is the text translation. And text translation, we will include here, like this action. There are so many languages for you to choose. There are 112 languages for you to choose. And I choose this one. This function will scan which paragraph you like. You scanned, and then the Scan Translator will record. Like this one, and wait a minute.
Different solutions in different fields, like education, banking, restaurant and medical using. Innovation plays an S.
不同领域的不同解决方案，如教育、银行、餐饮和医疗使用，创新发挥作用。
Yes, and this is the functions of text translation. And next, I will show you phonetic translation. These functions are very useful for the English learner, I think. And these 2 buttons are connected with these 2 buttons. For example, and there are 55 languages for you to choose. I choose English, and this one is Danish. English translate to Danish, and this blue button is connected by this one, and this red button is connected like that one. For example, I click this button and say something. Today is very good. I want to eat ice cream.
I dag meget godt, jeg vil spise is.
And next, I will show you the text excerpt. You can click on the top right corner to add new file. You choose which paragraph you like, for example. And the content is in the scan translator. And the content, you could use your USB to connect with your computer. Connect with your computer, and the content will in your computer to help you to do something. And then make sure to save the file. Okay. Here, I will show you the another functions, intelligence recording. Here you can see there is a right corner. You click it and to add new recording. You can see there is a microphone. When you click it, the microphone is open. And then I will show you how the functions act.
She recalls how her brother Ahmed, who was 13 at the time, was one of the victims.
I do not know in which law, in which religious book it is written that you can kill a 13-year-old child by tying him to a truck and dragging him out on the street.
Okay, now you click it and the microphone stopped to record. Here is what the microphone listened. So make sure to save the recording. And then the file is built. And there is an MP3 in the scale translator. You can listen to music, or you can add some music what you want to listen to relax yourself. And then the final one is the setting. The first one is about Wi-Fi, and this scale translator is mainly depend on Wi-Fi. And then the volume, the brightness, you can set up. And the data time, the standby time, automatic shutdown. And then the language you can set up English, Japan, Chinese, and so on. The Bluetooth, pilot switch. And about this scale translator, you can click and learn about something. In my opinion, this scale translator will help the English learner to memory the words and translate some sentence or paragraph they don't know. So it's very necessary for the students or language learners to use.